Once upon a time, in a quiet town surrounded by hills, there lived a dedicated school teacher. He was known for his intelligence, experience, and passion for learning. But despite all his accomplishments, he felt something was missing, something deeper, something he couldn't quite explain. One day, he heard about a legendary chess master who had recently moved to a peaceful village nearby. This master wasn't just a grand champion. He was said to possess a rare kind of wisdom, blending the strategy of chess with the philosophy of life itself. Eager to grow, the teacher decided to visit him. He traveled across town, walked through quiet forest paths, and finally arrived at a simple wooden cabin. Inside, the chess master sat by the window, the sun casting warm light across a chessboard laid out mid-game. The teacher bowed politely. "Master," he said, "I have spent years studying and teaching, but I still feel limited. I want to understand the deeper wisdom behind chess and life. Can you help me?" The chess master smiled gently and nodded. Without saying a word, he motioned for the teacher to sit. Then he picked up a pot of freshly brewed coffee and began pouring it into a small ceramic cup in front of the teacher. The teacher watched the dark coffee flow. The cup filled and kept filling until it began to overflow, spilling onto the saucer and then the wooden table. Startled, the teacher raised his voice. "Master, the cup is overflowing. Why are you still pouring?" The chess master looked up calmly and said, "This cup is like your mind, already full." He paused and continued, "You've come asking for new insight, but you've brought with you all your knowledge, assumptions, and expectations. How can anything new enter when there's no space for it?" The teacher sat in silence. The master's words began to sink in. He went on, "In both chess and life, most people come with their minds already made up. They think they already know what to expect. They rely on past patterns, old habits, and fixed beliefs. But that closes them off from what's actually in front of them." He pointed to the chessboard. "Every position is unique. Every moment in life is different. If you approach the board or your life with a cluttered mind, you'll only see what you expect to see, not what truly is." The room grew still. The master then said something the teacher would never forget. "In the beginner's mind, there are many possibilities. In the expert's mind, there are few." He leaned forward and added, "To grow, you must become a beginner again. You must be willing to empty your mind, to listen more than you speak, to observe before judging, and to let go of being right all the time." The teacher nodded, slowly realizing that all his years of experience had built a wall of ego, certainty, and mental noise. The chess master poured a fresh cup of coffee, this time stopping just before it overflowed. He handed it to the teacher and said, "Now, drink slowly, think deeply, learn humbly. That is how you grow." From that day on, the teacher changed his approach not only to chess, but to every part of life. He became a better listener, a more curious learner, and a more open human being. He discovered that true wisdom isn't about how much you know, but how open you are to unlearning, relearning, and growing. Moral of the story: we often seek wisdom and answers while carrying a mind full of noise, prejudices, opinions, ego, and fear. But like a full cup, nothing new can enter unless we first make room. Empty your cup, free your mind, and you will discover the limitless potential of growth, clarity and peace.